RUGGEDCOM is a Siemens product line of reliable communications equipment for harsh environments. RUGGEDCOM products are rugged rated. They work in a wide temperature range from -40 degrees Celsius to +85 degrees Celsius, provide a high level of immunity to electromagnetic interference, and ultra-high-speed network fault recovery. As a way to ensure superior quality and durability of the RUGGEDCOM portfolio, Siemens conducts rigorous testing in its Environmental Stress Lab. These environmental stress tests are designed to identify product design flaws and manufacturing errors. Highly accelerated life testing, HALT, is conducted during the product design phase to ensure that any design issues are identified and resolved prior to the product being put into production. Highly accelerated stress screening, HAS, is conducted on an audit basis to ensure the manufacturing process stays in control, maintaining high Siemens quality standards. The extreme environmental stress tests help ensure the absolute minimum early life failures and achieve industry excellence. During highly accelerated life testing, products are exposed to extreme vibration and temperature levels over multiple stress cycles. Siemens uses the HALT chambers to ensure that RUGGEDCOM products perform reliably throughout their intended service lives. A typical HALT project takes approximately 1 to 2 weeks to complete. The HALT test results are primarily used to improve the product design. They are also used to establish the correct temperature and vibration profiles for HAS testing. Highly accelerated stress screening is used to ensure that items released from Siemens production lines have zero manufacturing errors. During the HAS process, RUGGEDCOM products are loaded into the chamber. The 4 quadrants per chamber allow for multiple products to be tested simultaneously. A RUGGEDCOM specific test script is then launched to automate the test monitoring of running units. The typical HAS test will run for 2 hours, with combined temperature and vibration cycles. The temperature and humidity stress chamber is an additional environmental stress variable used to further increase RUGGEDCOM product reliability. With rigorous stress testing conducted by Siemens, RUGGEDCOM products offer the absolute minimum of early life failures and industry-leading field-demonstrated MTBFs measured in hundreds of years.